traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I'm still looking at this as possibly being an ABC, and I still think there's a good likelihood that it will go down and take out these previous lows. Now, it has definitely been going up pretty strong on shorter time frames, and if it just keeps on going up, I guess it really isn't too big of a deal because we are basically just going with the flow anyways. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So I still think this could be a wave 2 right here, and the reason why is because this looks like a downtrend wave A. This still looks like 3 waves up wave B. I still think this looks like a 1, possible 2, and possibly eventually go down and make a 3, a 4, and a 5, all part of this wave C of wave B. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where you can start to see this move up right here. Now, if this move up really is a wave C, then eventually we're going to have to get a break of structure, maybe end up looking something like that to help prove that it is a wave C. Technically, the trend is up on this pair for sure, so technically we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames, and if it just keeps on going, then it's really not too big of a deal. I still think it's a wave 2 because of my weekly time frame, and I still think there's a very good chance that it is going to do this, but like I said, we're just going to have to go with the flow. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely don't have a breaker structure down yet, proving that this move up is over. I think the last structure level is right here, so a break of this I think would really help prove that the wave 2 is over. Otherwise, this could be another ABC correction, and it actually looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 if you ask me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly we're in a wave 5 right now, so I still technically don't really see any evidence that this trend is over, and it could possibly just keep on going up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this really looks like 3 waves down right here for sure. It looks like an ABC correction, and on the 4 hour, it looks like it could be a wave 4. So, there's probably a pretty good chance that this is going to go back up and at least take out these highs right here. But if it goes down, bounces from a Fibonacci level, goes down, takes out this structure, and holds below structure, hopefully that will help prove to us that the wave C is really over, that the wave 2 is really over, and that it's really just going to keep on trending down from here. So technically, we should be looking for longs right now. If it gets a good Fibonacci bounce, a good break of structure, especially this structure down here, then we'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.